Steve here from Plants with Steve. Today we're trying out a bushcraft style primitive shelter. We're gonna make a fire. Let's see how it goes. The snow is really coming down here, guys. I don't know if you can see. I just dug this out and put this tarp on. It's already getting pretty snowy. Cozy. So guys, this is what the shelter looks like. I'm gonna put some sticks in the corners, things just to reinforce what we're looking at here. Low profile to conserve heat. And but I want to definitely jam some more sticks in the corners to keep the snow from collecting, because it is snowing pretty hard out. I'll put some more heavy-duty sticks in there if I need to, if the snowfall keeps picking up here. But that's probably it until later on tonight for the shelter. Now I'm going to get the fire started because we're losing daylight and it's getting cold and snowing out harder. Hey guys, thanks for joining me on this adventure. While this water is boiling, I'm gonna go straighten things out inside my shelter. Catch you on the next one.